Hey everyone, and today we will be making charm bracelets. If you don't know what is charm bracelet, it's basically a bracelet made like a charm, but it's a bracelet. Please make sure to subscribe my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment. And let's get started. So for making these charm bracelets, you will need this kit and a bead kit like this and these pliers, and that's it. So first we're gonna start by taking out these. These are called eye pins. I only have a few left, so hopefully they're enough for today's bracelet. So now I'm gonna start by selecting a bead. So first let's open up this kit. And here I have all of my beads. So I'll do a purple theme today, like a purple bracelet. So let's take out the beads. First I will obviously take these, because balls look good, and a flower, and I'm taking out this too. Then I think we will be needing a few of these and these. You know, just if you're making this bracelet, you can take out as many beads as you want, whatever you like, which one you think looks good. And here I have all the beads, so let's start making the bracelets. So for making bracelet, all you're going to do is take a eye pin and have a bead, then just insert the bead into the pin, and then I'm gonna take this and turn it around, and it's done. Just make sure to tie this up like this. And here it's so easy. My first bead is already done, then I'll do the rest. Here we have one more. And another. I'm just gonna turn it, twist it, and fold it. That's it. Here we go. Now we're going to be needing this kit again, and I'm gonna open it. Whoa. Okay, so now we'll be needing these. And I'm taking them aside. And I'm taking out some smaller ones too. And a hook. And maybe that's all we need for now. So I'll close it. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine them together with these jump rings. just a few more left, and then of course we'll be moving. It's such an easy bracelet. It's so simple. It's just that it does take a little time, and it's actually my first time making it, but I think it will turn out so good. Here we go, just a little more. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please tell me from which country are you. Here we go, we're almost done. Oh. So now I'm just gonna add this last bead. Finally I'm done. It's so hot. But it's not actually done yet. I still need to add a chain and hook. So I'm putting the hook here and closing it like this, and then of course I'm going to add a chain over there. So here we have jump ring, and here's the chain. Now I'm just gonna close it. Here we go. I don't think we will be needing these small jump rings. I thought I could use them to make a chain, but I already have this, so I think I don't need to make more. That's the bracelet for today. It's so beautiful. I actually love it. That's the final result. I really love this bracelet, and if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Bye! And this is my new setup. I haven't shown you yet because I just made